Well, guys, welcome back. It's only been a minute, but I'm excited to be back to, being productive once again. The timing has changed, but the style of trading remains the same. I want to go through a couple of things with you here. So let's get right into it. As always, don't forget that smashy, and hopefully you learn something new. Let's go. Well, guys, welcome back. So here we go. I've been sitting here for the last 30 minutes of market open. It's now 10 a.m. New York time. So it's 30 minutes into stock market open. And I've been sitting here watching this stock do its thing. This stock is supposed to be a stock that has a lot of eyeballs on it. And obviously I'm saying that because it spiked in value significantly. Well done. Let me just finish. Let me just enter a trade and I'll explain to you guys. Because this stock is breaking out. So this stock has been showing up on the scanner and now it's started climbing, right? It first was third, now it's second, which means there's volume coming in. So initially I tried trading it, but there was no direction. I entered a position and I got out quickly with a small loss. But now this is a direction, especially 30 minutes into stock market open. It's given us a direction. And how do we see if it's given us a direction? Well, guys, after touching that support level, it actually jumped and started climbing upward slowly. If we use a line chart instead, you can see the recovery here is happening slowly, and a squeeze could potentially happen. Oh, that's a big jump, guys. So let's add another position now that this trade is starting to go in our favor and the squeeze started happening. Again, a short squeeze happens with every stock. Okay, so here it is. It's breaking out, guys. Ooh, adding another 2,000 shares and that's it. That's all I'll be adding. Let me just alert the team real quick. All right, so we're $2,000. Oh, 3,000, 4,000. Oh my days. We got in at the right time here. So this stock, guys, again, it showed signs of weakness on market open, and basically it dropped a red candle, and this happens all the time with these stocks. So after dropping for the next 10 minutes or so, it's found support and it started going berserk, just like it is now. It started squeezing all the shorts, and here we are, 7,000 up on 6,000 shares. When should we take profit? Well, as soon now that we broke the highs, guys, the highs of 1370. Oh, there's a halt, and this is a halt, guys. We just got halted. This halt is from the exchange itself when there's too much volume. So on market open, 15 minutes or so, when it's unhalted, this thing will open, it will drop, and it will basically start shooting upwards, just like it's been doing. But I got in at the right time, and I started recording this for you. But how did we find this? Well, we found it on the scanner, just like always. It started off here, then it started climbing up, second, third. Now it's gonna be first, right? Now it's 52%. When it becomes 70% change, it's gonna be first, and then all other eyeballs, people will be late to this. So they're gonna start buying it. I'm already in a trade, so this could be a 10,000 trade today, guys, on 6,000 shares, which is amazing. Let me just alert everybody here. Alrighty. So it's halted. Let me speed it forward, and we'll continue this when it unhalts, guys. Well, guys, here we go. Almost 14K. This is going crazy. So I'm gonna depart from this trade with $12,000, which is what I did. Now, this could go for. There we go. I left money on the table. There's no way I'm going back in. This is the way trading works, guys. You know, you take your profit, you walk away, and I'm happy with what I got. All right, guys. Here's what you shouldn't do. You should never double dip unless you know what you're doing. I'm in another position. This time a little larger than before. Again, this stock was showing a lot of buying pressure, guys. It's currently showing a lot of buying pressure. Again, it just popped up number one on the scanner. Or, matter of fact, another stock has just... Anyways, let's focus on this. Another 6K here. There is the big spike and amount this time. 7,000. And as soon as I got out, it just a straight up drop. That's it. I'm not touching it, guys. I'm leaving it. We're not touching this anymore. So we also have the chat room here doing their thing. Some of you took that position also. Congrats. Alrighty, guys. That was a success. Quick 20-minute trade. Risky, rewarding. I don't recommend it for beginners. So I've showed you how to trade that kind of style of trading. Look at the link. There's going to be a tutorial for that from previous. But trading for you guys live doesn't hurt. Matter of fact, it helps. So it's 7 p.m. now in Dubai, UAE, obviously. The view is beautiful. Now's the time to go get some food and go out. Usually that's what, you do out here at nighttime. You go out at nighttime. You avoid the daylight just because it's too hot. Now, with that being said, guys, I'm going to introduce something to you soon. Funded accounts. It's going to help you guys in managing or limiting your risk as a beginner. And everybody will have access to it. And you'll be able to trade stocks that you can afford to trade. Not just penny stocks with little capital. You think you can only trade penny stocks. And that's why people lean towards penny stocks. It's because they can't afford the larger stocks. But now I'm going to make it accessible for you guys to trade stocks of blue chip category. And hopefully you can limit your risk. And your loss will be limited too. So that's a project I'm working on, which I'll introduce soon. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Smashy, smashy, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. And peace and love as always. Peace.